Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your meta descriptions in bulk with Shopify SEO tools. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section. Search for and select the SEO tool you wish to use. Open the SEO tool to access its main dashboard. Look for the Bulk Edit or Bulk Actions option. Select the products you want to edit. If your SEO tool allows, choose an option to export data. Export your current meta descriptions to a CSV file. Open the CSV file using a spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets. Locate the column that contains the meta descriptions. Edit the meta descriptions accordingly in this column. Ensure each description follows best SEO practices. Once your edits are complete, save the changes to the CSV file. Return to your SEO tool on Shopify. Now, look for the option to import data. Upload the edited CSV file with your new meta descriptions. Review any prompts or messages from the tool during the import process. After the import is complete, check your products to confirm the changes. Finally, run a quick SEO analysis to ensure the new meta descriptions are optimized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.